Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I wanted to show you some Christmas, I can't even talk, my throat is really sore, I'm really sick. So I wanted to show you some Christmas items that I've made for Christmas. And the first one, we're just gonna get into it, is this U-Log bag. Isn't it so cute? I'm so proud of it. It didn't take me that long to make. And yes, I love everything about it. And the 3 patterns that I'm going to be showing you guys today will be available for sale in my Etsy, and I hope you guys purchase them and make them and tag me in the creations that you make. But the first one is this U-Log bag. The slit for it is right here, and I have like a little brush in there, a random little like massage brush. How funny. And then I have some lotion. And it's cute. I'm going to take it to the gym, I think. That way I could be like festive in the gym. But I love it, and I hope you guys love it as well. So let me go get the next thing that I made. And this one is very easy. It looks so complicated to make, and then you start making it and you're like, oh, this is actually super, super easy. So let me go grab it really quick. Okay, this is the next one. Isn't it so cute? It's perfect and I love it. And it's very on theme for Christmas. I just think it's so cute. It is a bag, a peppermint bag, and you can make it in multiple colors. I like the green. My people in my life, like my husband and stuff, they like red peppermint with white swirls. But I think that this one is so cute. This one is very easy to make. It looks like it would be complicated, but it's actually not. It's super easy to make, and you could just hold little like blushes or lipsticks or anything that you want in there, and I think that it's just such a cute, fun, and easy bag to make for Christmas. Okay guys, so this next one is basically the same as the last one, but it's a bowl. And I love it. It's very easy to make. They're very simple to make, the peppermint swirl. And, oh my gosh, sorry. And I will be listing how to make it in the description below. The pattern is going to be for sale on my Etsy, but you know, it's very, very easy to make. And so I just wanted to share you guys all of my patterns for Christmas. I'm going to be making a lot more. But so far we have like this peppermint green bag, and then my U-Log bag, and then my little, I have to weave in the ends on this, so, but then I have my little peppermint bowl. So I hope you guys like that. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Let me know what you want to make, what else I should make. Jeez, I can't even talk today. What else I should make, and thanks for watching this video so much. It's been a very short video, but yeah, I'm excited to make a lot of Christmas decor. And what should I make for New Year's? Let me know in the comments below. Also, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much. I hope you have a great day. It's snowing outside, so I'm gonna go head out in the snow, and I love you guys, and bye.